Hello, you are welcome. In this video, we are going to compare these two numbers. We have 333 to the power of 444, and we have 444 to the power of 333. We are going to find out which of these two numbers is actually the bigger number. Now, let's start with this number here. We have 333 raised to the power of 444. And this equals, we can rewrite this as we have 111 times 3 raised to the power of 444. Now let's also copy this one here. We have 444 raised to the power of 333, and this equals, we do the same thing, 111 times 4 raised to the power of 333. Now if you have something like AB raised to the power of C, this equals A power C times B power C. Now we are going to apply that identity right here. That means we are going to have 111 raised to the power of 444 times 3 raised to the power of 444. Now we apply the same identity right here. We are going to have 111 raised to the power of 333 times 4 raised to the power of 333. Now let's proceed. The next thing we are going to do is, we can see that this is 444 and this is 333. So let's try and make this to be similar to what we have here. So instead of this, we can have 111 raised to the power of 333 times, we have 111 raised to the power of 111, then we have times 3 raised to the power of 444. Then, remember this identity, if you have A to the power of B plus C, this equals A to the power of B times A raised to the power of C. Now, since the two bases are the same, if you add these two exponents, you are going to get this number here. So, and this, we have 111 raised to the power of 333 times 4 raised to the power of 333. Now, if you observe, this number here and this number here are the same, so we can eliminate the two numbers. Now, let's compare this against what we have here. So we proceed again. This equals, we have 111 raised to the power of 111 times, we can rewrite this as 3 raised to the power of 111 times 4. And we are comparing it against this number here, 4 raised to the power of 333. Now, you know, if you multiply this number here by 4, you definitely get this 444. Now, at this point, we need to consider this other identity. If you have A raised to the power of n times m, this equals A raised to the power of m all to the power of n. So, look at the power switch. So, that is what we are going to apply right here. That means we are simply going to get, this will give us 111 raised to the power of 111 times, we have 3 raised to the power of 4 all to the power of 111. And we are comparing it against this number. We have 4 raised to the power of 333. Have you seen that? Now we can as well rewrite this as, this simply equals 4 raised to the power of 111 times 3. So we also apply this identity right here, we apply it here. And that means we are going to get, this will give us 4 raised to the power of 3 all to the power of 111. Now, here we have this number, 111 raised to the power of 111 times 3 raised to the power of 4 is simply 3 into 4 places, and that is 81. we have 81 raised to the power of 111, and 4 raised to the power of 3 is simply 4 into 3 places, and that is 64. So we have this equals 64 to the power of 111. Now look at it here. You have this number here, 111 raised to the power of 111 times 81 raised to the power of 111. And you are only comparing it against 64 raised to the power of 111. Now, if you are not satisfied here, you can still go further. If you consider this identity, if you have a power b times c power b, this equals a times c raised to the power of b. That means we can have it as 111 times 81 raised to the power of 111. And this is against this number here, 64 raised to the power of 111. Now look at it here. If you multiply this number here, now the exponents are the same, 111 and 111. But if you multiply this number here, we are simply going to get, this will definitely give you 8991, and this is raised to the power of 111. Now look at it here. 8991 is far greater than 64. And mind you, the powers are the same. So this shows that this number here is far greater than what we have here. Now, this also means that what we have here is far greater than what we have here. And this also means that the number we have here is far greater than the number we have here. And finally, this means that 333 to the power of 444 is greater than 444 to the power of 333. So finally, you can agree with me that this number here is greater than this number here. So that is it for the video. I believe you enjoyed the class. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.